Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to make hot chocolate bombs.
The ingredients we'll be needing are candy melts or chocolate wafers. They can be vanilla or chocolate. Melting wafers and candy melts are the same thing. You're also going to be needing a hot cocoa mix. You can use double hot chocolate or mocha hot cocoa mix. It just needs to be a hot cocoa mix, and not just cocoa powder. You're also going to be needing marshmallows, but they're optional. You don't have to have them in your hot chocolate bomb. It's your choice. Then you're going to be needing a bowl, but I have 2 bowls because I'm going to be making white chocolate and dark chocolate hot chocolate bombs. Then I have a pan with a little bit of water inside so I can heat the water and put the bowl with chocolate inside to melt the chocolate. But if you want, you can just microwave it. You're also going to be needing a half sphere mold to put the chocolate in. You'll also need a measuring cup so you can measure the amount of chocolate needed. Half a cup of chocolate is equal to 2 full hot chocolate bombs. You'll also be needing a flat spoon or a normal spoon to smooth out the chocolate. You'll also need half a teaspoon or a tablespoon so you can measure how much chocolate you want to put in the silicone molds. If you're using half a teaspoon, you're going to have to pour it in 3 times, or you can use half a tablespoon. So now I'm going to melt my chocolate, and I'm using 2 different types. So if you're doing my method, just fill up a pan with a little bit of water. We don't need too much. I'm just going to put it on medium heat. Now you can just wait for it to boil and put your chocolate in to melt. Okay, now you can see my water is boiling, so I'm going to take my chocolate and put it in and slowly stir so it'll be a little bit easier for it to melt. Okay, now so the chocolate has started to melt, but I'm still going to keep mixing it. Okay, so now the chocolate has finally melted completely, and so now I'm just going to take it and set it aside. Okay, now I'm going to melt the white chocolate using the same process. As you can see here, that the white chocolate is also melted, we're going to put it aside and start making the hot chocolate bombs. So to make the first layer, pour in half a tablespoon or 1 1/2 teaspoon of chocolate into the molds. Then you want to use a spoon, or in this case, I'm going to use a flat spoon to smooth out the chocolate, just like this. Once you finish the first layer, pop it into the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to repeat the same process for the white chocolate bombs. Also, remember to do 2 layers. Okay, now we're going to assemble. So first you want to gently pop out one of the half spheres. Then you want to place it on a stable item like this cookie cutter. And then pour 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder into the bomb and add a decent amount of marshmallows. Then you want to take out another half sphere, place it on a hot pan so the edges will start to melt, and gently place it back on to the other half sphere with the cocoa powder and the marshmallows in it. And this is how it should look. When the hot chocolate bombs have cooled, you can take it and place it gently into a cup and pour some hot milk into the cup and watch the bomb work its magic. You can pair your hot cocoa with some nice warm cookies. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye.